How to change birthday on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on your name. You will then see 3 dots beside the advertise button. Tap on that and then tap on the edit option. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down until you see the edit your about info button and tap on that. Further, scroll down again and navigate to the basic info tab. In here, you will be able to see your birthday. So go ahead and tap on the edit button you see there. Now, as you can see, you will only be able to change the audience of who can view your birthday and will not be able to change your birthday. So go ahead and tap on the edit in account center option right below the basic info tab. Further, go ahead and change your birthday from this interface and then tap on the save button, and finally tap on the done button, and with this, your birthday will be changed. So, this is how you can change your birthday on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.